Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to find out that your phone is in Snapdragon or exynos CPU, right? So what you're gonna do right here, you're gonna just double check right here in your Snapdragon or exynos, is if you want to determine if your Samsung phone has an exynos or Snapdragon processor, you can follow these steps. Check on the device model number, go to the settings on your Samsung phone and navigate towards about phone or about device. Look for the model number field, and you're gonna be able to witness something like this one right here. If I showed it to you, it will be much easier, right? You're gonna be able right here to see your device model number, and you're gonna be able to see right here, like this is for example, and you're gonna be able to see the camera front, back, and the CPU or the GPU and platform chip and hardware revision and all that. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us on social media.